Guys, did you know that, hold on. Did you know that, what was it? What was I gonna say? What was it? I was gonna say something, but I don't remember what it was. Oh yeah. Did you know that Dungeon Lords is the greatest game of all time? And it's true. I can confirm this because I'm the biggest Dungeon Lords gamer ever, and I love Dungeon Lords. I love it. I do. I love Dungeon Lords, and I will love Dungeon Lords for the rest of my life. Because sometimes I wake up and I play Dungeon Lords and I'm like, yeah, I love Dungeon Lords. I really do. I love Dungeon Lords. Steam Edition. I don't have the one on the disc, but HP Beats said that he had it and it wouldn't even install. So I can't talk about the other 3 versions, but I have the 4th version, which is the Steam Edition. Yeah, that's it. Oh, let me open Audacity. Okay, that's it for the video.